Have you ever burned your finger on a hot pan and yanked your hand away before you even realize what happened? That's your body's reflex system in action. Lightning fast, automatic, and often life-saving. Today on BioQuest, we're going to explore what reflexes are, how they work, why they're so fast, and even some strange ones you probably didn't know you had. By the end, you realize your body is doing far more in the background than you ever imagined. A reflex is an automatic, involuntary response to a stimulus. That means you don't consciously decide to do it. It just happens. They exist because sometimes thinking is too slow. If you had to carefully consider every move before avoiding danger, you will be in trouble. Reflexes are your body's way of skipping the decision-making stage so you can react instantly. Some reflexes are obvious, like blinking when something flies towards your eyes. Others are working quietly inside you right now, like the reflex that keeps your heartbeat steady or helps you breathe without thinking. Reflexes are powered by something called the reflex arc, a shortcut in your nervous system. Here's how it works. First, a receptor detects a stimulus like heat, pressure, or sudden bright light. That receptor sends a signal through a sensory neuron straight to your spinal cord. Now, here's the clever part. Instead of passing the message all the way to the brain, the spinal cord processes it right there and sends a command back through a motor neuron. The muscle responds instantly, like moving your hand, kicking your leg, closing your eyelids, all in a fraction of a second. Your brain finds out what happened after the fact, which is why sometimes you react before you even realize why. There are two main categories of reflexes. Somatic reflexes involve your skeletal muscles, the one you can normally control. These reflexes help you move away from danger or maintain balance, like when you trip but somehow catch yourself before hitting the ground. Autonomic reflexes control smooth muscles, the heart, and glands, things you can't consciously control. They regulate your heartbeat, digestion, and even how much your pupils shrink or expand depending on light levels. One set keeps you alive in emergencies, the other keeps your internal system running smoothly every day. Some reflexes are so familiar you hardly notice them. Blinking protects your eyes from dust, winds, or sudden movements. Sneezing clears up your nasal passages when irritants sneak in. Shivering helps your muscles generate heat when you're cold, and coughing clears your airways. Even swallowing involves reflexes that ensures food goes down the right tube, your esophagus, and not into your windpipe. Without that one, eating would be a lot more dangerous. Then there are odd reflexes. Yawns can be contagious. Scientists think it's linked to empathy or social bonding. Babies have a grasp reflex so strong they can cling a finger without letting go. And the gag reflex that your body uses to protect you against choking, though it sometimes kicks in at awkward moments like when you're brushing your teeth. There's even something called the photic sneeze reflex, where bright light makes some people sneeze. Around 1 in 4 people have it. Do you? Reflexes can mean the difference between safety and danger. Imagine driving and a ball rolls onto the road. Your foot slams the brake before you have time to think. Or you hear something falling and duck instantly. Reflex save precious milliseconds of your reaction time, and in emergencies, that's everything. So whether it's saving you from danger or helping you survive day by day, your reflexes are your body's built-in safety nets. Keep them sharp and keep watching BioQuest for more exploration into the science of life. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.